morning. So our lesson in pre-calculus is on how to get the radius of a circle given the equation in general form. Okay, so here we have the given instruction. Given the equation in general form, determine the radius represented by r of the circle. So for instance, number one, x squared plus y squared plus 2x plus 12y minus 27 equals 0. So the requirement here is the length of the radius. Now, since that's in general form, we have the form ax squared plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. The shortcut in getting the radius given the equation in general form, we have the square root of d squared plus e squared minus 4e all over 4. Okay. Now, from the given, you are going to substitute our d is 2, our e is 12, and our f is 27. So we have 2 squared plus 12 squared minus 4 times negative 27. Take note minus. So 2 squared, it means you are going to multiply the base 2 to itself. So 2 times 2 is 4. 12 times 12 is 144. Negative 4 times negative 27 is positive 108. Then add the numerator. 4 plus 144 plus 108 is 256 over 4. And you simplify first inside the radical sign. 256 divide 4 is 64. And the square root of 64 is 8 units. That's the radius of the given circle. Now, another example, if given the general equation of the circle, x squared plus y squared plus 10y equals 0. What is the radius? So by substituting to the formula, the value of d, which is 0, kasi wala siyang x sa given. So 0 ang d. At ang e ay 10. At ang f ay 0 kasi walang constant na f represented by f. So we have 0 squared plus 10 squared minus 4 times 0. So that's 0. 10 times 10 is 100. Negative 4 times 0 is 0. So when we simplify the numerator, that's only 100. Divide 4 is 25. Square root of 25 is 5 units. That's the radius of the given equation of a circle. Now, suppose that the given equation in general form of a circle is x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals 0. What is the radius? The same, you're going to substitute d, which is negative 4. So negative 4 squared is 16. Then e, which is negative 2. Negative 2 squared is positive 4. Okay. And f, which is negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. Then adding the numerator, 16 plus 420 plus 16 is 36. Divide 4 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So the radius has a length of 3 units. Okay. Last example. Suppose the given equation in general form is 2x squared plus 2y squared plus 12x minus 2y minus 3 equals 0. What is the length of the radius? Now, if we apply the shortcut in finding the length of the radius, take note that the coefficient of x squared and y squared should be equal to 1. So in this case, your first step is to divide all the terms by 2. So when we divide the first term by 2, the answer became x squared. The second term, 2y squared, divide 2, the answer is y squared. Next term, 12x divide 2, we have 6x. Next, negative 2y divide 2 is negative 1y, or simply negative y. And negative 3 divide 2 is negative 1.5, or negative 3 halves, which is equal to 0. Now, the coefficient of x squared and y squared is already 1, so we can apply the shortcut in finding the radius. By substituting to the formula, RD is 6, so it became 6 squared, which is 36. RE is negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. Okay? And RF is negative 3 halves times negative 4 is negative 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Divide 2 is positive 6. So adding all the numerator, 36 plus 1 plus 6 is 43. Divide 4, you cannot divide or you cannot write your answer in decimal. Instead, express it in lowest term with radical. Since the denominator can be divided perfectly, not divided, but it has a square root. Square root of 4 is 2. So therefore, only the numerator has a radical sign. So we have a square root of 43 over 2 units as the length of the radius. Okay. So that's all